Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Naila Aurara Padani with student number 2441171 from Management Class 24A. In this video, I will explain the material about capital market. Definition of capital market. Apa itu pasar modal? The capital market is a place where parties in need of funds or issuers meet with parties that have funds or investors through securities transactions such as stocks and bonds. Through the capital market, the public can invest and companies can obtain funds for business development. Function of the capital market. Fungsi dari pasar modal. Yang pertama, as a means of financing for companies. Yang kedua, as a means of investment for the public. Kemudian yang ketiga, to boost economic growth. Yang keempat, to create jobs. Dan yang terakhir atau yang kelima, to serve as an indicator of the country's economy. Jadi, fungsi dari pasar modal itu ada 5. Yang pertama, sebagai sarana pembiayaan bagi perusahaan. Yang kedua, sebagai sarana investasi bagi masyarakat. Yang ketiga, untuk meningkatkan pertumbuhan ekonomi. Yang keempat, untuk menciptakan lapangan kerja. Dan yang kelima, untuk berfungsi sebagai indikator perekonomian negara. Objective of the capital market. Yang pertama, to provide long-term financing for the business world. Untuk menyediakan pembiayaan jangka panjang bagi dunia usaha. Yang kedua, to encourage more efficient allocation of funds. Untuk mendorong alokasi dana yang lebih efisien. Yang ketiga, to provide opportunities for the public to own companies and earn profits. Untuk memberikan kesempatan bagi masyarakat untuk memiliki perusahaan dan memperoleh keuntungan. Yang keempat, to improve corporate transparency and governance. Untuk meningkatkan transparansi dan tata kelola korporasi. Participants in the capital market. Issuers, parties that offer securities or negotiable instruments to the public to raise funds. Examples include companies that issue shares or bonds through a public offering process. Yang kedua, investors, individuals, companies, or institutions that purchase securities with the aim of profiting from dividends, interest, or increases in share price. Investors can be individuals or institutions. Yang ketiga, stock exchange, the official venue for securities trading. In Indonesia, this institution is known as the Indonesia Stock Exchange or IDX, which provides a system and facilities for stock trading. Yang keempat, Financial Service Authority atau yang biasa disebut dengan Otoritas Jasa Keuangan atau OJK, which acts as the supervisor of all activities in the capital market to ensure that they are conducted fairly, transparently, and efficiently. Yang terakhir, yang kelima, securities companies, intermediaries between issuers and investors that assist in the process of buying and selling shares and provide investment advisory service. Types of capital market instrument. Stocks, securities that indicate ownership of a company by an individual or entity. Bonds, long-term debt securities issued by companies or government as a form of borrowing funds from investors. Yang ketiga, mutual funds, collective investment vehicles managed by investment managers by pooling funds from the public and placing them in various instruments such as stocks, bonds, or money markets. Yang keempat, right issue, a right granted to existing shareholders to purchase new shares before they are offered to other parties. Yang terakhir, yang kelima, warrants, a security that gives the holder the right to purchase shares of a company at a specific price within a specific period of time. Conclusion. The capital market plays an important role as a means of financing for companies and a place of investment for the public. Through the capital market, funds can be allocated efficiently, thereby driving national economic growth. In addition to being an indicator of economic health, the capital market also improves corporate transparency and governance. However, investing in the capital market still carries risks, so good literacy and supervision are needed to ensure that the capital market can grow in a healthy and sustainable manner. Okay, that's all for the explanation of capital markets. I hope you understand and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.